can't stand this damn echo because I don't know why it's echoing because I have Windows 7 RC version with the updated key and it is not working. Why is there an echo when I hear it, but when I play it back on mediums such as YouTube, I don't hear an echo on the playback? Does anybody know why this is doing this? It's crazy. Ooh, it's the delay that I can't stand. There's no reason for it to be delayed. It should be real time. Well, Windows 7, I like it, but the echo will not go away. I'm going to try a different sound thing. Hold on. See what happens. Open mixer, playback devices, recording devices, sounds, volume control options. Okay, open volume mixer. It says my mic is all the way up. System sounds, there are none. Well, it's all the way up too. It has Internet Explorer. I don't know why. What else is there? Oh, that's it. My sound is SoundMax integrated something. Okay, close that. How do you close it? Okay, I gotta reopen this. Okay, try playback devices. Speaker, SoundMax integrated digital audio. Okay, recording. Microphone, default device. Sound. Windows sound. Cityscape modified. Communications. Mute all of the sounds. Reduce volume of other sounds by 80%. Reduce volume of sounds by 50%. And what I have checked is do nothing. Okay, now I'm going down to the bottom to recording devices. And it says microphone, default device. CD player currently unavailable. Line in unavailable. Auxiliary unavailable. Wave out mix. Let me try to change that. Hold on. Enable. Now, wow. It's still a delay guitar sound. So I don't know why. Properties. Advanced. Oh, I could go to 2-channel 16-bit. 2-channel 8000. How about 2-channel 16-bit 4800 hertz DVD quality? Let me try this. Hello? I still hear an echo. Format not supported by device. Error. Okay, levels. 100%. Listen. Listen to this device. Apply. Okay. Okay, playback. That's okay. Recording. I'm trying to sync the sound to be live. But so far I have no success. So does anybody have any suggestions about Windows 7 and sound when you are recording it so you actually hear live what you're playing? Because I don't have a clue. And some people say that about my guitar playing. Ha ha ha.